Sports is not all about fun and games. It's also an avenue for learning, leadership, women empowerment, and even peace and community building. And that's what the Mindanao Peace Games aims for by going beyond sports and achieving a whole lot more. And to explain more on the initiative, joining us this morning are Coach Noli Ayo, Attorney Rebo Sagisag, MPG leader and coach Al Rashid Marumsalik Sendad, and MPG athlete Aliana Abbas Pasandalan. Good morning. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito sa Sports Desk.
Good morning,
Good morning, Andre.
Let's talk about first the Mindanao Peace Games. The MPG started in 2014, now on its third year. It has a great initiative, great goal, great mission, vision statement. Can you tell us more about it, Coach? And now, it has been around now for 3 years. How has the games grown since then until now?
Well, there was really a significant development. Initially, when we started in 2014 over a casual conversation among 4 friends, one from Cagayan de Oro, one from Zamboanga, and me from Davao, we said, now, why don't we create a league or a sports event that will go beyond sports? Something that when our athletes and coaches go through it, their memories, sports will just be part of it. So that's basically the template. And then now it has really expanded. More than 600 athletes and coaches experienced. This is what we want, to provide the experience moment through sports. And I think that's why in every Mindanao Peace Games gathering, we have popcorn and movie nights, we have TED Talk, we have leadership forum, we have mentoring session. We provide opportunities that, again, when the memory bank will be reviewed, it's not just all sports.
Well, why? You mentioned popcorn and movie night. What if you ask me, what has that something to do with sports? I mean, why have that? I mean, I'm just curious.
It's shared experience. And I think I think that's how you nurture peace. Going through shared experience. Na when we talk about something, it's not just me who can relate about it, it's also you, our neighbor, and I think that's what we did. All the regions, the 6 regions of Mindanao, from region 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and even ARM, the popcorn and movie night, wherein we invest so much, then we watch, we laugh together, we react together, we have popcorn when we go through the movie house, go out smiling because yung nakapatawa sa'yo, nakapatawa din sa akin.
Kumbaga building memories and creating memories, and also meeting others. Komesh, you're here. Attorney Rebo, you are here. You're part of the Mindanao Peace Games. Can you tell us how many schools in Mindanao are participating this year and what can we expect?
Well, that part nung 10 na yata, no? Kasi si Noli is more into that, the organization part. I first got on board here as part of he mentioned TED Talk. No? So he gave me a call maybe about 2 years ago.
Yeah.
So just to share my experiences in Zamboanga. So sabi ko, if it's Noli in it must be a good thing. If it's Mindanao, sports, women empowerment, I mean, how could you go wrong? So I said yes immediately, and 2 years after, I'm still here, still going around touring Mindanao, giving talks, and actually I'm also learning from them, no? More than they probably learned from me.
What can we expect from this year? Of course, this year's Mindanao Peace Games.
Ano ba mga this year?
Well, the coaches forum will still be there. We are targeting more areas. In fact, we want to have in Dipolog, in Iligan. I just came from Iligan last week. We're going to go back to Maguindanao and to Marawi. And then we really want the ARM region to be more part of this. Because the Mindanao Peace Games won't work without the ARM. No, it's basically, the initiative for peace has to be a collective effort, and we want to have more brothers and sisters from ARM to be part of this, and I'm happy that we have some of them now.
And we both have them here right now. We have Aliana and of course Coach Al Rashid. We're seeing great videos of you just smiling, enjoying. Paano nakatulong sa inyo to? You're both from Maguindanao. And of course, sa volleyball ang laro ni Aliana and ikaw yung coach. Coach, paano nakatulong sa inyo itong Mindanao Peace Games as a coach, as an athlete, and basically as a person?
Well, actually, ang Mindanao Peace Game po is natulungan niya kami to grow as a leader. And empower and how to empower our dreams with hard working, determination, and perseverance. So ngayon po, actually hindi lang kami naglalaro lang. We are also advocating peace in Mindanao. So, nakita namin through Mindanao Peace Game, ang dahil pwede mabago kasi yun, inalis namin yung kalaban doon, pinalitan namin ng kalaro.
Kumbaga, yes.
Yes.
Kumbaga, stop the hating and spread
Yes,
the loving
definitely.
through sports and meeting other people and going beyond sports as well. Ikaw, Aliana, you're 13, 14 years old.
14.
14, napakabata. Anong naitutulong sa iyo nitong Mindanao Peace Games? Kumbaga, anong maaalala mo, madadala mo, yung memory mo, pinakamagandang memory mo dito?
Memories, for me, naitulong po nito sa akin na maniwala, to set goals, and to dreams. Sa Mindanao Peace Games, during my time, sa amin kasi pag kalaban talaga. When in MPG Mindanao Peace Games, natulungan po kami nga maging kalaro, kaibigan, kasama. Kaya magiging isa kami. Hindi kailanman hadlang na kung anong kultura ang meron.
Maganda yun. At nag-e-enjoy ka, yun yung importante dito.
Opo.
At uulit-ulitin mo, sasali ka pa ulit.
Opo.
Okay, why don't you invite, of course, Coach Noli, Commissioner, Coach Al-Rashid, and Aliana, imbitahan natin ang ating mga kapatid sa Mindanao and also nationwide na kung gusto pwede sumali dito sa Mindanao Peace Games. Coach?
Yes, the Mindanao Peace Games, we cannot really accommodate all schools. That's why we encourage communities to create the Mindanao Peace Games template. What do I mean by that? That there has to be a conscious education, re-education of leaders and coaches, and then hopefully the athletes will learn from that. I grew up hearing that idea that sports teaches character. But now that I'm leading and I've been coaching for the longest time, I realized sports doesn't teach character. It's the coach. So meaning,
person.
without good coaches that will teach good character, there's no character that will be taught through sports. No?
Maganda yun, Coach. How can we... so we're inviting everybody na sumali dito to take part. Wala kayong pinipili
Yes.
na sumali dito sa Mindanao Peace Games. Why don't we... anayahan natin yung ating mga manunood na to take part and to support this, Coach.
Okay, so yung nasa Sulu po, anyway, nag-usap na tayo. So I hope pupunta kami dyan. Hintayin nyo kami. Pupunta kami dyan. And pati po sa Basilan. I hope magkikita tayo.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Okay,
Well,
thank you.
Again,
Yes, Coach.
Just from you, you don't have to be, from my friends here in Luzon, you don't have to be from Mindanao to be part of the Mindanao Peace Games. So I'd like to invite my friends, also in sports or from all walks of life. If you can have time to share, let's go to Mindanao, spread the love, and I promise you, we probably will learn more from them.
Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Coach Noli Ayo. Again, we just had Coach Noli Ayo, Attorney Rebo Sagisag, MPG leader, and Coach Al-Rashid Marhum Salik Sendad, and MPG athlete Aliana Abbas Pasandalan. Thank you so much for being here.